Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right, I am back. I told y'all I am going to try to get more consistent with this video thing. All right, okay, all right. Okay, as you guys can see the sign behind me, right there, first and last. What do I mean by first and last? Well, if you guys want to know what I mean by first and last, stay tuned. All right, I am back. So, let's see. Last year I did a fair amount of shopping and I'm not unhappy with the fair amount of shopping that I did, but I do need to do a little slowing down. So, I'm letting y'all know I'm going to slow down this year. I really need to slow down. I got some stuff going on. So I need to slow down. But the end of last year, which was 2019, I did do some end of the year pickups, and I wanted to share those end of the year pickups with you guys. So the first thing I want to show you guys is in this black box. Yes, I got a new pair of Air Force Ones. Y'all know I love Air Force Ones. We didn't have this conversation multiple times. We didn't have this conversation. We're not even gonna let's not act like this is brand new. We got a new pair of Air Force Ones. These are this is just a pair of regular Air Force Ones, but they're not so regular when they're in copper. These are the Air Force One SP and the metallic bronze and rose gold colorway. Here we go right there. That is the front of the shoe. Here's the back. Of course, I've already worn them. And here they are right here. These are a size women's 9, men's 7.5. These are, of course, unisex. I picked these up. Let's see. I think I picked them up in December. It was December. They actually came out with these. They came out with a pair of silver and a pair of gold. These are all still available on the Nike website, so you can still get these shoes. They were not limited edition. They are not sold out, so you can still get them. So just jump over there. You can find those. These are super duper comfortable, and like most Air Force Ones are. I really like these shoes. Let's see, how much did I pay for these? Have the invoice right here, and it doesn't say, but click the link below in the description bar, and pricing and everything. The link to Nike is all there, so you can see those. Okay, over my birthday, I was looking for a belt bag and did not find one that tickled my fancy. But of course, I have this really bad habit of just running my mouth and like, I really want a belt bag. I really want a belt bag. I really want a belt bag. So my mother heard my cries. And on Christmas, my mom ordered me a belt bag because I whined enough about a belt bag. So she picked up this Rexy with the Coach belt bag from Coach. She picked this up for me for Christmas, and I really love it. Of course, I'm a big fan of Rexy, their little mascot. She got me also a Rexy purse figurine or chain. I forgot what it's called. Purse charm. That's it. My mom picked me up a Rexy purse charm, which was really cute, and I was looking at that same purse charm, so I'm really happy I got that. So I got the Rexy belt bag. I also got a Rexy scarf from Reginald for Christmas, and so I had a really Rexy Christmas. But yeah, I got this really cute belt bag. Let me take out the stuffing really quick. It's not really big. It's not like a really big belt bag. You can see the Coach emblem in there. It's not really huge, which is good. It actually forces me to scale down and not take so much stuff with me when we're out shopping. And I can also wear this across my shoulder. I can wear it on my shoulder as like a purse like this if I want to. And it also has a zipper in the back, so you can put cards and things in here too, which is really cute. Oh, and the care booklet and everything is in the back here. So I have the link below also on this, so you guys can see this on the website. As I film this, Coach is running a 50% off sale. So I believe right now this bag is under $100. So if you guys want to grab this bag, you can. Like I said, it is on the Coach website and it's still available. Okay, 2020. Now we are into the very first things that I picked up this year. The Air Force Ones that I picked up this year were a pair of shoes that actually dropped last year, and I missed out on them. They were a limited edition when they first launched, and I just happened to be on the sneaker app, and they popped back up on the sneaker app, and I ran to get these shoes. So I was like, get my wallet. I gotta get these shoes. And the shoes that I'm talking about are the Air Force One K Yao edition. These are a collaboration with K Yao. Let's see, K Yao, I didn't know who this person was until I actually read up. She is a 38-year coach over at the university, at NC State. She won 20 of 27 NCAA tournaments, 11 trips to the Sweet 16, 1 trip to the Elite 8, and 1 to the Final 4. So she is in the Basketball Hall of Fame. I'm actually reading my sneaker app right now to get all this information, so I'm not just talking outside of my neck. So here's the shoes right here. What I thought was really cool when I got the shoe is that the laces are a satin like ribbon. They're like a ribbon, and you also have a white pair of laces also. So, and what's cool also is the shoe is kind of a gradient effect. It's light and it goes into like a pinkish red all the way around. And they also have little touches of blue on the tongue and on the back. The bottom is white. And like I said, I didn't think I was going to be able to get this shoe. So I was like, oh, okay, I missed it. No big deal. There were several shoes I missed out on last year. I'm still kind of annoyed with some of them, but that's okay. No big deal. They're just shoes. I can get other shoes. But when these popped up, I had to get them. And they are so cool. And I cannot wait to wear them. I always end the video with a handbag. And the story on this handbag, I'm going to tell it as quickly as possible. I was online one night during the holiday. And I was on Fashion File. And they had this Valentino tote bag on there. And I was like, oh my God, it's a Valentino tote bag for a really good price. I think it's like $777. Bag normally retails for like almost $1,400. And I was like, wow, I would love to get that bag. But then I was looking at the specs on it, and it had some denim transfer. So I was like, that's okay. I don't know how hard it is to get that out. So I was like, that's okay. I'm not going to touch it. So I happened to just do some perusing. And I typed in Valentino tote bag on Google. And this bag came up. Yeah, I did something. I'm actually skipping part of the story because part of the story, it was one bag I didn't get my hands on, but that's okay. We're going to skip ahead to this part of the story. So I Googled Valentino tote bag, and then this bag popped up on List. And it had a direct link to the store Harvey Nichols in London, England. London. So, yeah, I happened upon this bag right here. This is the Valentino applique. I think that's how you pronounce it. Shopper tote. This is actually the smaller size. There's actually a even bigger size of this bag. This bag is gigantic, but I actually got the smaller size in the natural canvas with red leather. And here's the inside of the bag. I actually left the stuffing in. Take the stuffing out. Here you go. That is the inside of the bag. It also comes with a little clutch bag, that little pochette or pouch. And here's the bottom. The bottom is the same color as the outside bottom of the bag. Valentino is a brand that I never really thought about. It was never like on my radar. And until this bag actually kind of fell in my lap. So, of course, I was not going to pass up this deal. The link that I have below is from Selfridges, I believe, out in England. That is the regular price for the bigger bag. I was able to get my hands on this bag. Let's see, the original price for this bag is 840 pounds, which translates to, what was that? Little over $1,000 USD. I was able to secure this bag for like $630 USD. So I would have been an idiot to pass this up. Granted, the bag on Fashion File is bigger and would have actually mathematically came out cheaper for the size, but I got this one instead. And I'm actually very, very over the moon about this bag. This bag is actually the same size as my MCM tote that I have. I'll put the link above of when I unboxed that one. And it's the same size as that bag. So it's not really, really big and it's not small. It's just right. So I am going to get a bag organizer for this one also, along with my Coach Rogue, which I still got to get that organizer. And yeah, I cannot wait to carry this. And that is it for this video. If you guys want to see any of the links for any of the 4 things that I just showed, everything's going to be below. If you guys want to talk to me on social media, all that was over on this side at the very beginning of the video. And if you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos from me and like this, don't forget to, which hand are we going with? We're going to like and subscribe, or like and subscribe. One of the two. Just like and subscribe. And don't forget, and even share this video. Subscribing's free. So let me get out of here. I have to write a blog post for class. I need to eat some dinner, and I have some overtime work to do. So this is going to be a busy, busy, busy Friday night, and it's 4:48. Gotta go. Talk to you later. Love, peace, hair products, luxury, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.